Hey guys, it's Dean from Extreme Car Cleaning, and we're back with our Equinox today. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take care of the wheels. Okay, so on this one here, just the wheel walls we're going to work on, tires, and the hubcaps. There's no barrels on this one to look after because it's stock rim. Okay, so it'll be pretty straightforward. Thanks for watching. Bye. And you're going to want to put a nice lather on the tire. And inside the wheel well. There we go. Okay. Next thing you want to do is you want to scrub this a little bit. And you want to get inside your wheel well as well. Now this one's kind of nice because it's pretty open, but on some of your smaller cars you're not going to have this much accessibility. It makes it a little tougher to clean in there. And sometimes you got to use a different brush, but for this vehicle, this brush just works perfect. Okay. Well, that takes care of that. Now, that can sit on there a few minutes while we're working on the hubcap. Now, right here I've got Diablo tire gel. Okay, this is from Chemical Guys. This product is really good because it's safe for ceramic brakes and safe for the environment, and it really does clean well. So we're going to take our boar's hair brush here. We're going to get in there and see that loosens up right away. See? Like I always say, if you want something decent, then I would strongly recommend using the Chemical Guy product whenever it's available to you. If you don't have a distributor close at hand, like Canadian Tire or your local dealership, you can always try going online and ordering it. If you order $150 worth of product from them, it's free shipping. And believe me, anything you order off of them is worth it. I've used almost all of their product line, and I have not had an issue with any of the products that I purchased from them. And see how well that works? That's why I like their products so much, because like I say, at the end of the day, I don't care how shiny the bottle is. I don't care about the hype. I just care that it works when I get it. And I spent a few $1,000s over the last 2 years buying products from them, and they've all worked. So if you're looking for something good, I would strongly recommend getting Chemical Guys. Okay, so now we're going to be ready to rinse. And we're going to clean this all up here. Okay, as you can see, I made quick work of that job, so it's all done. The power washer from Sunjoe really does work well. We also have a Ryobi that works well also. Most importantly, you want to use a power washer when you're doing your wheels, because the hose just is not going to cut it, okay? And you need to use good chemicals as well. The other product we used for the tire and the wheel well was Zep Citrus Cleaner. That's available at Home Depot. It's okay to use on the wheel walls, and it's okay to use on the rubber itself, but don't use it on a vehicle with ceramic brakes, okay? If you've got ceramic brakes, you don't want to be using that, because it can contaminate the pads. Okay, you would want to use Diablo wheel gel or another product that's ceramic safe. Okay, so thanks for watching, and the next video will be the headlights. We're going to take care of those. Okay, so anyways, until the next video, talk to you later.